What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G in the Phantom Black. Now, I wanted to give you my first impressions of this. I did an unboxing on it, showed off the phone, showed off how beautiful it is, how nice it is. And as you can see it with that Phantom Black, it is just a gorgeous device. Has that new quad camera setup, which is just a beast of a phone. So let's get into it. Now, this phone out the gate is an expensive purchase. It's $1,200. It's got 5G, so you're future-proof for a long time, because we're going into that 5G era. Whether it's good for you or not, that's up for debate, but 5G is on this device, and it is a beautiful, beautiful device. Now, this comes in a plethora of colors. This is the Phantom Black. You could also get the silver, the titanium, navy. You can get brown. You can get custom colors. Samsung has done a good job with the Ultra line this year with their colors. Now, as far as what's powering this bad boy, it is the Snapdragon 888 or the 888, however you want to say it. This is no MediaTek processor, guys. This is the big boy stuff. This is the powerhouse of processors. Snapdragon from Qualcomm. It is the best of the best right here. Okay, this is the 12 gigabyte 128 gigabyte version. You can also get a 12 gigabyte 256 storage on here, but you could also go big boy. If you want to just put all the guns in the holster, you can go 512 gigabytes of storage with 16 gigabytes of RAM. 1.6, guys. This thing, it could be more powerful than your home computer or even your laptop or whatever you may have. Now, one thing I do not like about this year's Samsung phones in the S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra, there's no SD card slot. That's a bummer. Don't know why you would get rid of that. You don't really, maybe it's a security thing, maybe that's an excuse, but for me, you gotta keep the SD card slot. Now, as far as the display, 6.8 display, dynamic AMOLED. This is the best display in the smartphone game. Sorry, Apple. Sorry, Google, LG, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, all y'all. Samsung is the king when it comes to displays. Now, this is Quad HDs, 3200 by 1440, 516 for the PPI crew. Okay, now you get this year, you get 120 hertz full on everything. Okay, so you get 120 hertz on your Quad HD. So no more going down to 1080p. This is full 120, 24/7, all day long. Now you get the beautiful Gorilla Glass Victus on front and back. Okay, and you get a humongous 5,000 milliamp battery. This battery lasts all day long, no problem. I get 6 hours of screen on time, no problem. So as far as the battery is concerned, you're good, but it's 5,000 milliamps. It should last all day. It should last even longer than that, if you ask me. Now you get wireless charging, 15 watt. You also get your fast charging here, type C on there. You don't get a charging brick in your box when you buy a Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra, which is another big fail by Samsung. No SD card slot, no charger. Come on, guys. What are you doing? Don't turn into fruit. Stay strong. But I digress. IP68 waterproofing on deck, no problem. Reverse wireless charging on here also. If you want to charge up your Galaxy Buds Pro or some other device, you can do that. You could charge your friend's iPhone. That would be great. Now, out the box, you get Android 11 powered by the Snapdragon 888. So you're gonna have you're gonna be gas, you know what I mean? You're gonna have some gas coming out of this tank. You get One UI 3.1, which is a new One UI from Samsung, which has a lot of great features on it that you can use. Now, as far as the camera is concerned, you get that quad camera setup on the back, on the rear cameras. You get a 108 megapixel shooter on the standard wide. 108 megapixels. 108 megapixels. Okay. And you also get a 10 megapixel telephoto at 100 times zoom. You get a 12 megapixel ultra wide. You also get a 10 megapixel periscope telephoto, whatever that means. You get laser autofocus. Now, as far as the camera is concerned, auto lock on your focus. You lock it there, you take your picture, you're good. Also in video, you could do the same thing. So if you have an object that you want to lock on, just hit that little lock. You get a little orange indicator, and then you're good to go. The other thing that you can do on here is you could do something called director's view, where you can get different videos on here. So you see me there as I'm taking my shot, and you could change the angles on here. You can go wide angle, standard wide, or we can zoom in on that camera. You see that? And then we can talk about it. So as we're going here, do a little shot here. There is the leather case from Samsung. And then you can switch your angles as you're recording, which is great. You stop your video. And then you could also do different things on here. You could also do picture in picture, where I'm here and you can record. Do picture in picture of your phone. Do a little wide angle of your phone here. Go a little tighter. Go real tight on that camera lens if you want. The back there. And then all you do is play it back. Do a little wide angle of your phone here. Go a little tighter. Go real tight on that camera lens. So as you can see, you get a lot of different features on here. And on this, you could shoot 4K 60 on the front and back. You could do 8K on the back. That's the great thing about the Snapdragon 888. Is it could do 8K video, which is just incredible. Now, when it comes to the front-facing camera, it is a 40 megapixel shooter on the front-facing camera. So you're gonna get great shots on here. I've taken some great portraits. I've taken some great shots on it. You also have different things on here like night mode. You have single shot. Also in pro mode, you can do raw. You could shoot raw pictures in promo. So the camera setup on this phone is just phenomenal. I got to give Samsung credit on that. They really done a great job. I'm really enjoy using it. I've taken some good pictures, as you can see here. These pictures came out great. I mean, wide angle, standard wide, portrait on the rear, the front. Video's been great on here. I mean, I've really enjoyed using these cameras. It's just been excellent. Now, you get stereo speakers on here, which is a plus. You also, the fingerprint reader has been dramatically improved from the last time. Boom, you saw that? Let's do it again. One time for your mind. Boom. That is just absolutely perfect. You get the face unlock, which is kind of simple. I don't know how secure it is, but I'm enjoying using the fingerprint reader. Also with these days where you have to wear certain face coverings because of COVID, it's good to have a fingerprint reader. Sometimes that face unlock isn't all as cracked up to be that we thought it was going to be with everything that's gone on in the world. But look, this phone at $1,200, I think it's a definite upgrade from your Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you want to come down from the Note 20 Ultra, which I did, I'm happy with this phone. I don't utilize the pen a lot. You can use a S Pen with this phone, but you have to buy it separately and you have to put it in a case, or you can carry it in your pocket, which I think is kind of not a good way to do it. So I might get the pen, I might not, just to try it out. I'll have to see, but for me, this is just amazing. You get DeX with this phone. You get so many different features with the One UI 3.0. I would not get the S21 or the S21 Plus if you have the S20 or S20 Plus. I think it's a little bit of a downgrade because you get no MST. You lose MST on Samsung Pay. There's no SD card slot. You know, you get the same cameras that you have on the S20 to the S21. The same cameras on the S20 Plus to the S21 Plus. Now, these are improved cameras. So you're getting an upgrade in that department. So in that retrospect, I think you're getting a better deal getting the Ultra overall versus those other two S21 series phones. So look, that's gonna do it, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the S21 Ultra. I'm enjoying it. This is my first impressions of the phone. I've used it for about a week and I'm really enjoying it. It's a sexy phone. I like it. And the other thing too, it's hefty. It's thick. I like it like this. It feels real nice in the hand. You know what I mean? Yes. That's gonna do it, man. I'm out of here. Peace, party people.